and them I say, boy, man look like he mash up here now.
Yeah, they know what going
That time
on.
on my head, me rest little bit how long from yesterday, me look like computer, you know.
Yeah, man.
And I edit and I rare.
Yeah, man.
Pinnacle straight and now.
Rasta, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me to show you this too. Now my brethren know me I promote, man. Make sure say I put up this run. Pinnacle.
What's the right?
Yeah,
Pinnacle,
man.
the new thing from Mandeville?
Yes, man.
Pinnacle.
Yeah, man. Now
Yeah?
wicked artist,
So you
man.
can go make me hear something?
Yeah, we have a whole album. A matter of fact, I can give you an album
Yeah.
where me
So make we
produce the
deal with
whole
it, Rebel
album.
launch that out.
Yeah, man.
So what them call you again, Mike? What your name?
Puss.
Alright.
Anywhere in the world, them go. Puss.
Correll, Junior,
Yeah.
and Puss.
Yes.
Welcome to the 10-ton crew.
So Winston that you know, man. This is a man where from take him from out I taxi first.
Yeah.
Winnie, come in, Rasta. Boy, you see the man here now. And from we a little boy to how we start playing music together, you know. From we used to play with Cecil Charlton and G.R. Chambers. A band we call it Thunderbird Band. So this man was a keyboard player at them time there, you know. Yeah, man. So you can make it tell a little about them timeless things.
Tell us about the old times. What was it like?
Old times was
Real
great.
reggae, foundational. What is the foundational reggae music for you,
Foundation.
in your perspective?
Well, the foundation, you know, is how it come through us, you know, from creation and from feelings and what we used to go through. And is that develop the music. You know, the music come through our feelings and we produce the music like that. So it represents us, Jamaicans, as strugglers and survivors, you know. For a long time I played music, from Chambers days in Mandeville. I play keyboards, you know. I produce some good music like Jet Plane and all that thing. I hit worldwide. Yeah, man. So something we have to continue because the roots music are the best still, you know what I mean? And the foundation. Straight from that you get lost, you know. It can evolve still, but when it evolve, you know, have to be nice and accepted by us still because we are the foundation people, that's it. I respect them.
Yes, General, yes. So this new era, Correll, you come with the 10-ton now for the people. Is it kind of like an Israel vibration? How do you kind of define the music?
When you look, you know, in between the rock steady, you know, and the one drop reggae, you know. Because, and when you look, me not just base one style because me and the man here left here and go to North Coast and play in a most hotels. Where you know says bossa nova and cha-cha-cha and those kind of Latin sound and little jazz, you know. You have to do for dinner and all them things. So if you listen 10 ton properly, if you listen in the hand section, jazz. And then it's rock steady and reggae mixed together, you know.
Yes.
We're not ready for our time around again, so we have to come back to us.